Hello guys, welcome back from my channel. Today I will show you how to watch movies together with your friends on Discord. Discord is a free voice, videos and text chat application mostly used in streaming and gaming community. You can download it free for both PC and mobile. So let's talk about for PC first. You need to join the voice channel first. And then click the share screen button. You need to open the screen what you want to share in background. You can choose resolution and frame per second and then click go live. Now you start sharing your screen. For Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever you want to share, do the same thing. I will show you with YouTube as an example. The left screen is what you sharing. And the small screen from the right is what your friends will see. If you want to stop the streaming, click disconnect from the voice channel. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more video. Now let's talk about for the phone. Like in PC, you need to join voice channel. This is the share screen button in phone. And then click the start now button. Now you start sharing your screen. The left screen is what you sharing. And the small screen from the right is what your friends will see. If you want to stop, just click disconnect button like in PC. In this way you can watch movies and share screen together with your friends. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.